How you going, ladies and gents? We are the Broken Pokers. You're very welcome to Friday Facebook Frenzy. Thank you for joining us here on the Tinter Web. Unfortunately, the lyrics board was postponed tonight on the Irish Club Facebook page, but they'll be back on next week. And I want to say, before we begin tonight, I want to say a big thank you to everybody who sent out lots of birthday wishes. Thank you so much for that. Cheers. We're going to start off.
It's still your birthday week, isn't it?
Is it a birthday week now?
Yeah.
Cheers. Look at that. Cheers. A shout out to Mr. John Batista, who's provided the whiskey tonight for consumption. Thank you, Johnny B. And we're going to get it going with our first request of the evening. This one came in from Eric, I think, is it?
Yeah, it was. Yeah. Bright and early.
Ah, nice one. All right, Eric, this is for you. This one's called the Belfast Mill. I hope you like it. 1, 2, 3. We're delighted tonight since they've lifted the restrictions here in Western Australia of we can have more than 2 people at a gathering. We've got our very first studio audience here. Well, obviously we got Caroline at the helm, so a big shout out to Caroline. There's always directing operations here behind the scenes.
Doesn't count if you're getting paid though. The check's in the mail.
Well, anyways, we've got Tom here, Ben's brother Tom. Say hello, Tom.
Make an appearance here.
Hey, Tom. Hey, everybody. That's great. So
brought his own whiskey.
So the idea is, as we do a few more of these, maybe some of you would like to come and watch him in the room here. Ben is going to build some bleachers in his lounge room as a plan, and
they'll be chunky, but square. I mean, when I say square, I mean they'll have pointy edges.
So more to come on that one. Send us your suggestions there. We also want to say a big shout out to a very special birthday girl whose birthday it is today, and it's my little niece back in Ireland.
Oh really?
So,
no one told me.
Yeah, it's Alana's birthday today. So
should really spend more time on Facebook, shouldn't I?
Can we do a quick happy birthday to Alana?
Of course
if
we
she's
can.
watching. Lovely out there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alana. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Alana. We got a request here now. We're going to send this one out to Stephen. Thanks so much for this one, Stephen. And Alyssa as well, I think, has requested this one. Here we go. I've been a wild rover for many a year, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. And now I'm returning with Golding Great Store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never, no, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. I went into a nail house I used to frequent, and I told the landlady that my money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. Such a custom like yours I could have any day. And it's no, they never, no, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. Then I took from my pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and the wine's of the best, and the words that I spoke should be only in jest, and it's no, they never, no, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. Take it away. Keep her lit there now. Woo! Woo! Top! Yeah! Oh, take it home. I went home to my parents and I confessed what I had done, and I asked them to pardon their prodigal son. And if they caress me as sometimes before, should I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's no, they never, no, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. And it's no, they never. No, they never no more. Will I play the wild rover? No, never no more. Oh, thank you, Tom, for the percussion on that one. That was awesome.
And the dog sound at the end. The Wild Rover said.
Oh, that's so good. So that song obviously featured a man that drank a lot of whiskey. We have a couple of whiskey sponsors that we do want to get to today. I'll leave you with Ben for this one.
Tell them all, Julie. Wait, it's what you want if you want whiskey.
Look at this. Oh, this is some shameless product placement.
I feel instantly healthier.
When I say that they're sponsors, I mean that the way that they sponsor us is that they give us the opportunity to go out and buy their product, which you also have as well. Behind me here, I've got the wonderful bottle of Paddy whiskey that Mr. John Batista sent over. Thank you, Johnny B.
No, it's not rubbish. It's lovely. Whoever, Adam.
It's definitely my favourite. Paddy gets it done for me, if you know what I'm saying.
All right. Well, Tullamore and Paddy, we'll get our people to speak to your people.
I see a request here on the request board that this is a song that we haven't done in a while, and it's for all the farmers out there. So this one's called Hit the Diff, and there's a little bit of a twist in the tail afterwards, and this should keep Chloe happy, hopefully. Alright, goes like this. Towing, lifting, sewing, baling, drawing, hauling, bucking, raking, macking, stacking, blowing, crashing, dipping, wrap, tailors, lapping, sucking, teasing, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, raking, rearing, tearing, whittling, weighing. Oh, hit the diff and pray that she goes all the way. Well, I'm back to the match with the party hats and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Oh, when the sun went down, with the vamp and the bike we drove all night till the fuel light ran out. Oh yeah! Woo! Oh, give me a yog with plenty of folk and the candle he starts at 1,500 acres, hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to the woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly Christmas before I got back in touch. I found the same but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool, with loads of power behind my door, so I gave the pump a screw. And so night awake, no lights, only seeing stars, and the gloom from the moon, and the diesel light in the dash. Throwing, lifting, towing, bailing, drawing, hauling, bucking, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, dipping, wrapping, tailors, lapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, splitting, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, raking, rearing, tearing, losing, weighing. All hit the diff and pray that she goes all the way. When I'm back to the match with the party hats and I'm heading for the trade. They thought that we were quitting when the sun was coming down, and then with the bike we drove all night till the fuel lit ran out. Oh yeah! Woo! Well, overload on the downhill road and snapping through the gears. Said a snap chats of what I must to everyone on the beer. Hit the June alone, I stand alone, always in the air. It was my chance to grease the nipples and never knew was there. All needs and sleep and new teeth for digging and dozing in the muck. In case it rains and need an old chain lying in that truck. Climbing, liming, nixing, piping, after the feed is cut. There's money a gap you won't get out without 6,000 bucks. Oh, go lifting, towing, bailing, drawing, hauling, bucking, raking, backing, shacking, plowing, crashing, dipping, wrapping, tailor flapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, raking, rearing, tearing, losing weight. Oh, hit the diff and pray that she goes all the way. Ah, thanks, Tom. Fair play. Thank you, Chloe, for that one. We haven't played that one in ages. So now we're going to do an old Dublin Street song about poor Mr. Tim Finnegan. This one's called Finnegan's Wake, and it comes in from Liam. I don't know which Liam it is now. So many Liams out there.
They're all good.
But this song is it's a great old song about a fella called Tim Finnegan who worked on a building site, and he was fond of an old drink himself. Fair play. And anyways, every morning before he went out for work, he'd have a couple of tins. And whatever happened, anyways, the first morning he went in as drunk as a skunk. He had an accident and he fell off a ladder. And after the fall he took, everyone assumed that there's no way he could have survived it, so they started to make plans for his funeral. Sounds like a sad story, doesn't it?
Sounds awful. Let's play it.
Tim Finnegan lived in walking streets, a gentleman Irish mighty odd. He had a rogue both rich and sweet, and to rise in the world he carried odds. Ah, but Tim had a bit of a tippler's way. With the love of the liquor, poor Tim was born. So to help him on his way each day, he'd drop at the crater every morn. Oh, act for the dado, dancing your partner around the floor. You thought there's shame, wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Now one morning Tim got rather full. His head felt heavy, which made him shake. He fell off a ladder and he broke his skull. So they carried him home, his corpse to wake. They wrapped him up in a nice clean sheet. They laid him out upon the bed, with a bottle of whiskey at his feet and a barrel of porter at his head. Whack for the dano, that's your partner on the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Well, his friends assembled at the wake, and Mrs. Finnegan, she called for lunch. First she brought him tea and cake, then pipe, tobacco and brandy punch. Then the widow Malone began to cry. Such a lovely corpse did you ever see? Monsieur Tim Mavory, why did you die? Will you hold your gob, says Molly McGee. Whack for the dado, that's your partner on the floor, your trotter shank. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Then Mary Murphy took up the job. Ah, Biddy says she, you're wrong, I'm sure. Well, Biddy gave her a belt and a gob, and she left her sprawling on the floor. Then Simmel wore the dead engage. He was woman to woman and man to man. Shirley Law was all the rage, and the row and eruption soon began. Whack for the dado, dance your partner on the floor, you traffic shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Well, Mike Maloney ducked his head when a bottle of whiskey flew at him.
Tell them all due, everybody. Tell them all due.
It missed and landed on the bed, and the whiskey scattered all over Tim. Be Daddy revived, see how he rises. Tim Finnegan rising in the bed, saying, whittle your whiskey round like blazes. Thunder and Jesus, did you think I was dead? Back for the dado, that's your partner on the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Back for the dado, that's your partner on the floor, your trotter shake. Wasn't it the truth? I tell you, lots of fun at Finnegan's Wake. Oh!
to hear some serious trad, tune in on Wednesday. If you want to hear us ruin trad,
that's what Friday's
tune in
for.
on Wednesday also.
That's great stuff. All right, so
I actually learned the name of that tune last night.
what is the name of that tune?
I can't remember. I knew at the time.
Oh, that's great. All right, so we got some more requests coming in here. Oh, Johnny B, you're breaking my heart here. We're going to slow it down with a lovely old request.
So Tom's not just here to drink bourbon and clap in the corner. Can you pass me the?
No, I just need all the tubes. There's a special kind of tube.
Yeah.
All right, Johnny Batista over in Bristol has requested a song here, and it's.
I've always wanted what do you call them? Like when you're a knight and you have one of the guys that like rigs up your horse for you.
Oh yeah, what's he called?
Is it Squire?
Squire.
You see, you just squired your brother. Fair play.
Don't do that, folks.
All right. It's so great to have an audience back in. So this next song is a lovely little slow song. It's from Donegal, and it contains a lot of Irish mythology. And another person who sings this song is Mr. Sean Byrne, so I'll say a big shout out to Sean as well. This is called The Garden Mother's Lullaby.
Shawnee.
Sleep, old babe, for the red bee hums, the silent twilights fall. Evil from the grey rock comes to wrap the world in thrall. I'll know my child, my joy, my own, my heart's desire. The crickets sing you lullaby beside the dying fire. Dusk is drawn and the green man's horn is wreathed in rings of fog. Shiraz sails his boat till morn upon the starry bog. A land unknown, the paling moon has ringed her cost in June, and weaves to hear the sad, sweet tune I sing, oh love, to you. Faintly sweet doth the chapel bell ring o'er the valley dim. Cheerman's peasant voices swell in fragrant evening hymn. A land unknown, an old bell rings, my little lamb to rest, and angel dreams till morning sings its music in your breast. beside the dying fire. Lovely.
All the chicks in the audience say yeah.
Ben, that was awesome, man.
Actually, I actually said to Derek we should play that
Oh, yeah.
the other day. Remember the other day?
I do remember that. Was that the day before the other one?
That was just one of them.
All right, we're after getting requests in for so many requests coming through. Keep them coming. Caroline's got her hands full there, which is the best way to have her. Fair play. Tom, I guess. So this I guess wouldn't be Friday night without this one here.
What does that even mean?
You know that song about
All of the nights.
that girl that couldn't be tamed.
Oh yeah. It better be Friday night. That's an every night song.
Yeah. It's a great one. So who sent it in today? Darry. All right, Darry, this is for you. I was 18 when I came to town. They call it the summer of love. Burning babies, burning flags, the hawks against the doves. I took a job at the steaming way down on Cauldron Street, and I fell in love with a lovely girl that was working next to me. Brown hair zigzagged across her face and a look of half surprise, like a fox got in the headlights. There was animal in her eyes. She said to me, oh can't you see, I'm not the factory kind, and if you don't take me out of here, I'll surely lose my mind. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine, a breath of wind might blow her away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, so long as there's no price on love, I'll stay. You wouldn't want me any other way. Market town to pick it down in Kent. We could tinker pots and pans and knives wherever we went. We were camping down the Gower one time and the work was mighty good. She wouldn't wait for the harvest, I thought we should. I said to her we'd settle down and get a few acres dug with a fire barn and in the heart of Babby's on the road. And she says, oh man, you foolish man, that surely sounds like hell. Oh, you might be lord of half the world, you not on me as well. She was a rare thing, fine as a bee's wing, so fine, I breath of wind my bower away. She was a lost child, she was running wild. She said, so long as there's no right
The song's about bees.
Thanks so much for that request. That song was by a man called Richard Thompson, who was a great songwriter, and he was a member of the wonderful band, the Fairport Convention, back in the late 60s and early 70s. And he was... they used to share the lineup with Planksty on the live shows and stuff, and they'd knock into those boys. And anyone who was checking out our show on Wednesday night will see that we did a bit of a deep dive into Planksty.
Yeah. Check out the notes section of the Facebook page. Derek just wrote a little mini essay there on how all tunes sound the same. It's brilliant. I read it this morning. It's actually really good.
That's exactly what I did.
Yeah.
But yeah, so thank you for that request. Before we go any further, a lot of people have been asking about how they can contribute to what we're doing here. So we might as well just quickly address that. We've sent out a PayPal link at the top of the description for tonight. If you're having trouble with that one, you can always get it on our
website.
On our website,
if you go to
brokenpokers.com.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And look, that's we're temporarily set that up. The idea long term is that we're going to try and get some kind of a subscription kind of a thing where we can get the music that you want straight to you, and you kind of
as well as we're doing here in WA. Like it'll probably still be a while before the pubs open and all that sort of thing. So as you've probably heard us crapping on about before. We're trying to get the just a sustainable
That's a way of delivering the music, but yeah.
So we've got two producers now. This is great. Yeah.
But in the meantime, the I guess the landlord is knocking at the door. So
we aim to get, like, we spend so much time on all the lighting and all the crap. You want to believe the amount of shit that's behind this,
but shortly we will do a behind the scenes show to show people. But yeah. So look, if people want to kick in money, that's great. If not, that's cool as well. What is more important to us in the long term is that you guys are enjoying it and that we keep it fresh. And because it looks like this is going to be the case for at least for another few weeks, possibly months, who knows. Not to get too.
And if you do enjoy it, share it with your friends and anyone else that you think that might enjoy it. So anyone that's.
That's great. All right, Can we do a tube? We got a song for we got a request for a tube song there from Luke. What do you reckon? Ben just ground to a halt there. That's great.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
All right, Tom, we need the old B flat there.
Like my family's got my back here.
A B flat.
A B flat, yes, sir. We just did a B's wing, and now we want a B flat.
No, he got a beef hat. A hat made out of beef. I need the red one.
Shocking. So this song is about.
Let's face the screen here. Come here.
Come here to me. Okay, so you know now who got the looks in the family. There we go. Check that out.
So I asked Tom for the red one, but they're all red.
I present the squirrels.
I think that's the one.
Do we have a safe word for this? Because I feel like there's some kind of home invasion here.
Come on, everyone! Come on!
What do you mean?
Come on!
Oh, okay. So they're getting tired of this on Facebook land, man. It's not it. Oh, just Caroline.
That's unfair. We should doco pay.
So Caroline's pants tonight say Victoria's Secret. So if anyone knows Victoria's Secret out there, if they could just send it to us there in a message, that'd be great. Apparently it's great. Fair play.
I mean, this is like the Van Halen of tin whistle tunes.
It totally is, man. Just get right up there. You seem to be enjoying the Tullamore Dew there.
Oh man, it's great having a studio audience.
Being on television.
Makes me feel a little bit too comfortable though. just realised the Jimi Hendrix thing. You're gonna...
Oh man. Just
One hand per note.
Thank you to Luke for requesting that song. We just made a mockery of Finbar Fury's tune there.
And also ruined the tune forever.
So, okay, while we're in Fury's territory, this is not a request, but we have been requested this next song for a little bit. Should we do a little love song?
A romantic banjo, you say?
Yeah, what do you reckon? So very rarely are the words romantic and banjo put in the same sentence.
Tom actually just vomited back into his own bourbon bottle there.
And we hope you guys at home are vomiting into your own bourbon bottles.
Oh yeah. Tom, what you?
My God. There's no way they're going to sponsor us now. We had better chance with Bunnings there with all those tubes. Here's a little love song that always makes me feel a little bit creepy.
Don't they all? I think I need one of these. Where's my carrot when I need it? Burn. Oh shit, what key is it in?
But flat.
It's on one of these. It seems wrong. Anyway, whatever.
When first I saw the love light in your eyes, I thought the world held naught but joy for me. And even though we've drifted far apart, I never dreamed, but once I dreamed of you. I love you as I never before. Since first I saw you on the village green. Come to me, hear my dreams of love are since first I saw you on the village green. Come to me, ere my dreams of love and more. I loved you as I loved you when you were sweet, when you were sweet, 16.
Oh, I'm so glad it wasn't just me. That's the first time I played on the banjo. I was like, what the fuck is going on? Turns out I normally play this on the tin whistle.
I want to send a special shout out to Paul and Elaine Masterson, whose wedding anniversary it is today as well.
Really?
So that's a wee love song for you guys. So thank you for that. Thank you for your support. We hope to see you again soon out in that place they call the world.
Oh, the world. I miss the world.
Keep the requests coming in. So in a very strange segment that we're going to introduce now on Friday nights, we're going to introduce a little bit here called What Caroline Reckons. What do you reckon there, Caroline?
Meet the producer.
What's happening out there in Facebook land?
Is it Meet the Producer? Go on.
He's the producer.
What strange things are happening out
Look,
there?
no, like, come on, Young Boots won't show. It's quite dark down the bottom.
What's happening?
What's happening as in comments, wise?
Yeah.
This is great. This
Do
is
they love it? Do they
exciting.
hate it? What's going on?
Yeah, no, people are enjoying it. Some people still throwing some happy birthdays your way.
Oh, thank you very much.
Yeah, so a couple of happy birthdays coming your way, and yeah, John says to the extent that he's responsible for the delivery yesterday, he's sorry, but I said that an apology.
There's no apology needed at all. Fair play.
No, it's all good. Lots of people tagging their friends in. Lots of people requesting songs. So we've got a whole nother set of songs requested, waiting to go.
It's funny that you mentioned requests there, because somebody requested a song there, and now that we have you in this chair, would you like to do a song with me?
Oh, of course. I'd love to do a song.
So sly. All right. Was it Dibna that requested this on Sunday?
Yeah,
all right.
it was.
So if Dibna's watching us here, hey Dibna, hey Jamie, hey Aaron, how's it go? If Aaron's still awake, this is one of Dibna's favourites. It's a wee love song that was made famous by that movie called Once, starring Glenn Hansard and Marketa Iglova. So I guess for the next 3 minutes I'll be Glenn and you'll be Marketa.
Sounds good.
All right, there we go. I don't know you, but I want you all the more for that. Words fall through me and always fool me, and I can't react. And games that never amounts to more than their worth can play themselves out. So take this sinking boat and point it home. We've still got time. Raise your hopeful voice. You have a choice. You made it known. Falling Perks, ladies and gents.
Oh my god, everybody!
Do you like my trick?
What was the yeah. Sneaky.
What Caroline reckons. She's the producer. Get her sitting there, sing a song. You!
I'll be watching for next time.
Thank you, Caroline.
And now comes to our next
the people's favourite.
Now comes to our next segment. It's whiskey tasting.
Oh, really?
Guest audience.
I'm all out of whiskey, sir. Oh, I've got Paddy Whiskey, which is Ireland's second favourite whiskey.
We've got to keep it legal.
Up against...
this is a 1.5 metre triangle that we've got going on here.
Yeah.
Paddy Whiskey, courtesy of Johnny B. Ireland's second favourite whiskey, up against Tullamore Dew, Ireland's second favourite whiskey.
Until you start sponsoring it, and it's number one.
Oh, this is already too close.
Tom!
Typical Christensen.
Oh, damn it! All right, so Ben, I don't know about you,
but Tullamore Dew.
But
that rhymes.
Last week we did that Anzac show, which was really, really good fun, and I woke up on Monday morning, and I thought to myself, we didn't do that really important song that we should have done. The
first time we were asked for this song was in the middle of
Westmead, sir.
Yeah, it was the boroughs of Westmead out the back of Mullingar.
Yeah, and this little old bar in a village called Fiddler's Green, and we did a 3-hour show there, and there was the whole village and all the surrounding villages came to the thing. There was young and old at it, and afterwards we finished up the show and we did an encore, and then we finished.
It was our first gig in Ireland as a group. My first time there,
and we're literally done and dusted, and we're pulling out the cables and everything. And this old guy comes up to either yourself or Toby. I'm not sure who it was.
That is like, boys, you don't just have to play Irish songs. We'd love to hear some Australian songs. Do you know Home Among the Gum Trees?
They started listing off John Williamson, Slim Dusty. We were like, what? They were like, yeah, we thought you guys were an Australian band. We're like, God dang it. All right.
Speaking of Australians, I'd like to welcome Tom Christensen.
Is Tom coming back? Oh, he's back in. Awesome. All right, so whiskey tasting for Tom. You!
This is for everybody watching in the Northern Hemisphere. Tom's just knocking a dead spider out of his cup. Alana, if you're watching, I'm not joking. Good to go.
I think we really lost the run of Friday Facebook Frenzy. Fair play, Tom.
Tullamore Dew.
To your health, sir. Oh no, here.
Australia's favourite Irish whiskey.
Ireland's number 2. Oh, God, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Who cares?
It's for all the Aussies.
Where's my banjo?
Where is your banjo?
I've been around the world a couple of times or maybe more. I've seen the sights and had delights on every foreign shore. But when my mates all ask me the place that I adore, I'll tell them right away. Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees, a sheep or two and a kangaroo and a clothesline at the back, a rounder at the front, and an old rocking chair. You can see me. I don't actually know how this goes there. You can see me in the kitchen cooking up a roast.
Oh yeah?
Or Vegemite on toast. And later on we'll settle down and mull up on the porch and watch the possums play. Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees, a sheep or two and a kangaroo and a clothesline at the back, veranda at the front, and an old rocking chair. There's a Safeway up the corner and a Woolies down the street, and a brand new place they've opened up where they regulate the heat. But I'd save it all tomorrow for a full... Fuck. But I'd save it all tomorrow for a... I actually don't know how this song goes. Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep and two and a kangaroo and a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair. Some people like their houses with fences all around. Others live in mansions and some beneath the ground. But me, you know, I don't know how it goes. I've got a vague idea. Out the back, whee! Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep or two and a kangaroo and a clothesline at the back, veranda at the front, and an old rocking chair.
Help us out, come on.
Give me a home among the gum trees with lots of plum trees. A sheep or two and a kangaroo and a clothesline out the back, veranda out the front, and an old rocking chair.
Hey!
It's been 2 years since I got asked to play that song and I still don't know how it goes.
Oh, what a ripper, man. Thank
a
you for
shocker.
doing that. I put you on the spot there. I'm sorry. But
No,
thank
that's
you.
fine.
Thank you so much.
Who cares?
Okay, so we got some. Oh, look at those requests coming in here. Owen, risky, Owen, risky. You're gonna get us taken off the airwaves.
Can I do
there.
fisherman so I don't sound like such a rubbish singer?
Let's do it. Let's do it. All right. So it is about.
Actually, that's not true. It's probably I'm just doomed myself to failure.
Nah, man, that was great. That was great.
Thank you, producer.
You got this, boys.
So, after the show, you're fired.
Is Tom in? Is he? Fair play. It's really rude to be training up Caroline's replacement like in the same room. But you know.
Session plan, like,
Oh, geez,
Yeah, fair
actually,
play.
I look around and look for my tin, and my dang brother was drinking it.
He was. This song is a Waterboy song, and it's. Oh, it's a Waterboy song, and it's about a sad day's fishing. Ah! He's having a bad time. Oh my god.
It won't help.
Live television, ladies and gents.
No, it actually won't help. Oh my god. There's one.
What happened to you?
Oh, just when Tom said he was producing my pint.
We, if we did that in Dirty Nellies, man, we'd be pegged out.
That's not true.
Fair play. Hello to all the Dirty Nellies crew.
Oh fuck! There he goes again. Right. Come on, you. We'll see how we go. I wish I was a fisherman tumbling on the sea, far away from dry land. It's been a memories, glassing out my sweet line with a abandonment and love. No ceiling bearing down on me. Take the starry sky above, we're lighted by it, and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo-hoo-hoo. And I wish I was a brakeman on a hurtling and all the chains around me. Following at last, and on that grand and fateful day, I'll take thee in my hands. I will ride on the train. I will be a fisherman with light in my hand, and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh yeah! Yeah, with light in my hand, and you in my arms. With light in my hand, with you. Yeah, with light in my hand, and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, with light in my hand, and you in my arms. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Dylan Perrick.
Ah, ladies and gents, Mr. Ben Christian there on mandolin. You! Oh man,
I think I might have coughed half my brains out of my eyeballs there.
you look pretty good, boy.
Oh, thank you.
Fair play.
Makeup by Caroline.
The makeup of Make It Farters. We want to thank L'Oreal, who are also a
Tell them
potential.
all due, folks. Finest whiskey.
Yeah.
Second finest whiskey in the world.
The thing about Tullamore Dew is maybe you're born with it. Maybe it's Tullamore Dew.
Maybe you bung with it. Maybe it's Maybelline.
All right, Ben. I rarely discuss requests on camera, but we've got requests for songs
don't
from
think we
County
have a
Clare,
choice.
and all the good songs are from County Clare. Obviously, that goes without saying. But we've also got a request for Fairy Tale New York. Do you know what I mean? Like it's.
Flip a coin. I don't know. What do you mean?
I mean, everyone. It's May 1st, man. It's only like 750 shopping days till Christmas. I mean, that's might be.
Sure. Whatever. If anybody doesn't mind swearing and homophobia.
All right. Okay, here's Ireland's.
Homophobia's not funny, but
Ireland's favourite Christmas song that we love to hate. The weird thing about this song is people only requested it at Christmas time, and I love it. You know, it's a pity that
it's more of a prison song. Like, so why don't they request it when they're in jail?
it's kind of like a rhapsody, sir.
Oh shit! I've got another.
So who's this for? This is for Jade. Oh, Jade, good on you. Jade, I think if I'm thinking of the right Jade, she came down to Bustleton to see us at the Goose. Big shout out to the guys at the Goose as well, because they're taking this time, as a lot of venues are,
Basso.
to you know, do a bit of refurb and get things going again. So we hope to be back in Bustleton when all of this bullshit is over. Anyways, this for Jade. Sad there, hoping that Dibna was here, you know.
She's not watching.
Is she watching?
Hey,
Alright.
Dibna!
Dibna, we miss you. It was Christmas Eve, Dave, in the drunk tank, and old man said to me, won't see another one. And then they sang a song. What did they sing? The rare mountain dew. Well, I turned my face away and I dreamed about you. Got on a lucky one, came in 18 to 1. Now I've got a feeling that this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas. I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true. No place for the old. In the birth of my hand on that cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome, you were pretty. We loved New York City. When the band finished playing, they hauled out for more. Sinatra was singing and the drums they were swinging. We kissed on the corner and danced through the night. And the boys in the NYPD choir were singing Christmas Day. Woo! You're a bum, you're a punk, you're an old stuck up junk. Lying there almost dead on that trip in that bed. You scumbag, you maggot, you cheap lousy faggot. Happy Christmas, me arse. I pray God it's our last. And the boys in the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Promote that woman
to a studio audience.
I kept them with me, babe. I put them up my home and make it all alone. I built my dreams around you. Trade! And the boys on the NYPD choir were singing Galway Bay, and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Na 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 na. Come on, Tom, let's hear ya. Na 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 na. Everybody at home, here we go. Na 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 what a request. Oh, it's so great. Thank you, Jay, for that
Family
one.
Christensen.
All right, we better quickly do a song from Candy Clare. How about my favourite song from Candy Clare? Ew. So everyone knows the best Irish music comes from Clare. That's just how it is. Fair play. I'm not biased, you know. I'm from Westmeath myself. We have bachelors and all sorts there, and big heifers.
The finest beef in the Northern Territory. In the hemisphere.
That's great.
Tell all you, everybody.
All right. Who's this going out to now here? Peter.
Peter's watching from County Clare.
Peter who?
Oh, it's Peter.
Oh, Pete. Pete, he only, I keep saying a few weeks ago, but I've no
Correct me
idea
if
of
I'm
time.
wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's it. Peter.
Yeah, it must be. Yeah. I hope so. Peter, if it is Peter we're thinking of, about 2 months ago, about a month ago, we have no concept of time. We ran a competition. We were giving away toilet rolls, and the night that we played in the Belvedere. Shout out to the Belvedere crew. Yeah. Peter was the winner of the toilet roll competition. So I don't know. Do you reckon he still has the toilet roll, or do you reckon it's used by now? It was a while ago.
I don't know. That's a bit of a personal question, isn't it?
Fair play. All right.
It's not the same thing that this Peter's in lockdown in County Clare.
Look,
no,
we're all in lockdown in County Clare.
What's his last name?
Here we go. It's a song about a man who misses County Clare. There's only one of them in this song. And there's 4 of us who share the room, and we work hard for the crack. With sleeping late on Sundays, sure I never get to Mass. Oh, it's a long, long way from Clare to here. Oh, it's a long, long way from Clare to here. Oh, it's a long, long way, get further day by day. Now it's a long, long way from Clare to here. That's a true fact, sir.
40,000 kilometres, sir.
Now when Friday night it comes around, sure I'm only into drinking. Me mother would like a letter home, but I'm too tired for writing. And it's a long, long way from Clare to here. It's a long, long way from Clare to here. Oh, and it's a long, long way, you get further day by day. Yes, it's a long, long way from Clare to here. And the only time I feel alright is when I'm into drinking. It eases off the pain a bit and it levels out my thinking. 'Cause it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh, it's a long, long way from there to here. And it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. Yes, it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh yeah, take it away. Well, it almost breaks my heart when I think of Josephine. I promised I'd be coming back with pockets full of green. And it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh, it's a long, long way from there to here. And it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. Oh, it's a long, long way from there to here. Well, I sometimes hear a piper play, but maybe it's a notion. I dream I see white horses dance upon another ocean. 'Cause it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh, it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh, and it's a long, long way, it gets further day by day. And it's a long, long way from there to here. Yes, it's a long, long way from there to here. Oh, it's a long, long way from there to gents. We are the Broken Pokers. This is Friday Facebook Frenzy. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty frenzied.
We've got a lot of hellos coming in from all over the place.
All right, let's hear it.
Rose Devlin from
Hey, Rose!
Hills Donegal, and also Neil and Mel watching in Perth, and they sent a video of themselves having some drinks.
Neil and Mel, we love you guys. We played at Neil and Mel's wedding, and Neil, the Arbuckles and the Devlins, they're the same people. Fair play. So you guys are watching at home. I guess we got to sing a Donegal song. So then, you look upset.
No. I just it's just been a long 39 years. Yeah.
We want to say a big thank you to everybody who's
Speaking of 39 years, it's a big thank you to Jarek Buckley for living for 39 years.
Nobody thought I'd make it this far. I assure you. Yeah. Only one more year to go, and then I can die.
Let's hear it from our studio audience, everybody. Yeah. Jerry.
Bring it to levity. All right. So,
man, I'm loving this studio. It's like it's next level.
We got to get so many people out here.
Yeah.
So
tickets.
We're going to do a little song.
On sale through the Tullamore Dew website.
That's not true. Don't go there. All right, Rose and Mel and Neil. This is a song from Donegal, and it's followed up by a tune that Ben is going to be. He's going to be holding on for dear life in this one. How you doing, Benny? All right?
Fine. Thanks for asking.
Mighty, never better.
Yeah, no, I want to.
This is Friday Facebook Frenzy. I want to say a big thank you to anybody who's clicked that PayPal link, because thank you, because we're in the bones of our hearts.
Yeah, I clicked it there, but then I realised I couldn't pay myself.
Fair play to you guys. Thank you so much. Here's a song about one man's idea of what we should do with Donegal. Fair play.
Hang a sec. I need my what do you call it? Gaffer? Is that what you call it?
Squire?
What's the the smallest tube that you've got there?
Oh, the old F.
I just like to say that last song really made me miss Claire Hayes. So
Oh, sorry, Tom. You may talk about Atlantis, how it's lost beneath the sea, or the grave of the unknown soldier and the cry of the old banshee. Who was the man in the iron mask? Was it Jack the Ripper set free? But that's some more with Donegal and still a mystery. And if I could, I'd build all around old Donegal, the north and south to keep them up. My God, I'd build them tall. Casinos together and ranches, I'd legalize them all. They'll have their own Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. Yeah, Las Vegas in the hills of Donegal. tune. All right. Thank you so much for all your requests. We'll see you guys later on. Thank you.
Where's the button to stop the thing?